Once again, I welcome you back, students of Standard 6. Today, we are going to discuss regular and irregular verbs. You have already been informed that regular verbs are called weak verbs, while irregular verbs are called strong verbs. Regular verbs have ed, dt at their ends, while irregular verbs have vowel chains: eat, ate, eaten, sit, sat, sat, do, did, done. In this way, there are various verbs which go on having their past and past participle forms from simple past. These things we have already seen earlier also. Now let's come directly to the worksheets 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. In worksheet 6, everything has been discussed itself. Everything, I mean, the passage contains some information and there is no any question to be answered. That's why we have to start from 5 and then shift to 7 directly, escaping the 6th one. Let's start now. Look at worksheet 5. While the dance party was going on in the palace, a precious necklace was stolen from the Royal Museum. You will read the details of the theft later in the unit. The police interrogated some servants in this regard. Complete the following interrogation with the help of the notes given below. Now look at information is already given here, the servants schedule. Accordingly, you have to fill up here. What you have to do at first place, you have to write cooked food. Afterwards, swept the room at 2:30 p.m. In third space, changed curtains. Fourth, noticed. Fifth, approached. Sixth, inquired. Seventh, had stayed. Eighth, returned. 9, cleaned. 10, stopped. 11, finished. 12th, applied. This is how you have to fill up in these gaps where police and servant have to talk together. Now let us move to other worksheet. This is worksheet 7. Here what you have to do, see, while searching the guest room for clues to arrest the thief, the police found the following suspicious grid. It was of no use to them, but you can find at least 10 regular verbs in it. Find the verbs and write them in the table below with their past forms. One has been done as an example. Now, although requirement is less, but you can have more verbs than what is the requirement here. Now, which are the verbs? First, you have to find out. I have searched some of the verbs. I go on telling you. First is add, A double D add. Second open. One is already given here, so I have to start from second. One add, next open, then leave, then hurry, then top, next help, afterwards pack, divide, list, listen, try, love, opt. Now see how they have their past forms. Add, added, open, opened, leave, lived, hurry, hurried, top, topped, help, helped, pack, packed, divide, divided, list, listed, listen, listened, try, tried, love, loved, opt, opted. This is how you find you have to fill up here in these two columns. One is verb, another is past form. So this is how you have to complete these two columns. Now let us move to another one that is part of this 7 worksheet. See here in C number you have to write earn, earned, die, died, retire, retired, move, moved, start, started, live, lived, stab, stab, stabbed, hop, hopped, check, checked. These things you can find here in the box given in the book, also in your text. Now let us see ahead, that is worksheet 9. See here what is the requirement. Worksheet 9 given here are some pictures. Look at them and complete the sentences using appropriate words from the box given below. Some verbs may be used more than once. The first one has been done for you. She consulted the book to plan her holidays. This is already done. Now second is she Anuj phone number. Here you have to use forgot. She forgot Anuj phone number. Now let's move to other questions. Third number, she fell off the stairs and hurt her knee. Fourth number, the cat slept quickly. Fifth number, the bull ran fast to save itself from the hunters. Now sixth number, she cut her hair very short. Seven number, he drove so fast that she got scared. Now eighth number, the waiter gave the menu to the customer. Nine number, he threw a party and invited her. And 10 number, he gave him the keys of the car. This is how you have to fill up in these blanks. Now let us move to worksheet 10. what you have to do here, you see it. Nikki had a bad day. Look at the pictures and write what happened to her. You may take the help of the verbs given in the help box. The first one has been done for you. What are the words which verbs have been given here in help box? You see, enter, meet, fall, burn, fall, break. Now first has already been done. While cooking, she burnt her hand. Now look at second number. While driving, she met with an accident. Now third number. While reading, she slept on the table. Now fourth number. While playing, she fell down. In fifth number, while drinking water, she broke the glass. Now sixth number, while she was sleeping, a thief entered her room. This is how you have to do these worksheets. You know it, practice makes a man perfect. So you must go on practicing the worksheets which are already prescribed for you in your practice book. It's all right. Wait for my next video when we will discuss the worksheets which are given ahead. Thank you very much. Bye for the day.